The single life is pretty nice. You guys should try it. When you come out the elevator, there's this little lounge area that you can hang out in. So this is the entrance. So when you walk in, you are in the kitchen. They have a refrigerator just in case you want to store any food. They also have silverware pots if you want to cook, a full kitchen, an island. I love islands, and we have nice decor. Then this is the living room. So cozy and simple. And we have a TV. You can hook up your phone, watch Netflix, watch YouTube, whatever you want. As you can see, there is a Harris Teeter right below the hotel. It is 24 hours, so if you need anything, snacks, food, if you want to cook late at night, or you need any type of hair products, you can always go to Harris Teeter since it is 24 hours. So over here to the right, we have the first bedroom. Very spacious, a nice window, and then a walk-in closet that leads to the bathroom. Here we have the second bedroom. Very spacious as well. Everything is about space. Walk-in closet and then a bathroom. This door leads to the living room slash kitchen. And then this door right here is where the washer and dryer is, which is very convenient. Huge thanks to Y Hotel for always making my stay in DC wonderful, so amazing. I had such a great time and I can't wait to come back. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. If you're not, welcome back. I would love for you to subscribe if you're liking my videos, and also like and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. So I just asked you guys to send over some questions on Instagram, so I'm going to answer them during this video. You guys like my chit chat videos? Well, the one I posted on Instagram did really well. I got really good feedback. I got so many DMs, so much support and love. So I'm going to film more. I have been in DC since Thursday. It is now Saturday night and I have been going out every night. We went out Thursday night, Friday night, and now we're going out Saturday night. And that's a little out of like my comfort zone because I usually like to go out one night and then I need to rest for like the next month and then go out again, especially because you guys know I'm going through a difficult time right now. So yeah, like sometimes I don't feel like going out, but I've, you know, spoken to myself and I tell myself that I can't do that. Like I need to force myself to go out, not every time, but I do need to put myself out there and just have fun. So that's what I've been trying to do. Even if I don't feel like going out, I'll force myself, because when I end up going out with my friends, I have fun. So it's not like I regret going out. So the first night we went to a bar called Rose Bar. And at first it was good, like it was cool, like they were playing nice songs, but it was only me and her, so we were just standing there vibing. And then we met some people and we like spoke to them. We started hanging out with them that night at the lounge. It's called Rose Bar. It's a bar, but it's like a lounge that have sections and everything. So we were hanging out with them, and then yeah, that was cool. And then Friday night we went to another lounge. We went to Empire. And then we went to Griffin's. Griffin's was really, really good. Empire was really good too, but Griffin's was more lit. There was more people there. I know some celebrities were there. I think someone from Power Ghost. I don't know who he is, but people were talking about it and we had fun. We went with some people that we met Friday night at Rose Bar. Not the people that we were with, but we met other people after the bar. So we were just hanging out with them. And so we went to Empire and then Griffin's Friday night yesterday. We got home. We practically slept all day today because we only got a couple of hours of sleep, and I need my sleep. Like, I cannot function if I don't sleep. Also met other people last night at Griffin's. Yo, DC is a vibe. I really like it. I like the people. I think the nightlife might be better here than in New York City, or maybe I just go to the same damn bar in New York City. And pianos, I don't always go to that bar, but I'm usually at that bar if I do go out. But it's cool, it's ratchet, and I kind of like that sometimes. But I don't know, I'm experiencing the nightlife here in DC, and I really like it. The people are really nice. I mean, of course, if you're out at a bar, guys are going to be nice to you. I know that, I'm not stupid. But yeah, so I met some people last night. The single life is pretty nice. You guys should try it. You just have to put yourself out there. And yeah, I feel like when you get out of a relationship, especially a really long-term relationship, last thing you probably want to do is go out and drink. And I don't suggest drinking if you know that you're going to end up calling the person and you're going to end up crying or missing them, because I've definitely done that. But now I'm good. Like, I don't get the urge to do that. So now when I go out, I do drink, and my tolerance is high. And I also pace myself. I don't get drunk or anything. I just get nice. I get tipsy or really tipsy, but I'm good. I know what I'm doing. So, you know, don't go out and drink too much and not know what you're doing. Always know your limit. I know it's probably hard to think about going out or doing anything, and not a lot of people, but a few people that I've spoken to about always are like, why are you depressed? How can you go out? Like, and I just say that, you know, it's been a couple of months. I'm still in the beginning stages of it because it's only been like 4 or 5 months, but I just have a positive outlook on it. It's not the end of the world. It hurts, but it's not the end of the world, and I'm not going to be over here depressed in my bed all day, every day. So I'm sure like he's having fun and he's moving on, so I'm gonna do the same. Why am I going to like sit here and drown in my sorrow and in my sadness when I can be living my best life? We actually might change our plans and go to St. Eve's or St. Ives. It's probably St. Eve's club tonight. Trust me, it's not easy forcing yourself to go out, but you gotta do it. But I'm open to meeting people and whatnot and having fun. I feel like maybe I was mentally checked out. I don't even know how to explain it. Maybe I don't know what mentally checked out means. Because a lot of people say, oh, I was mentally checked out, but I was just still with that person because I did love them at the end of the day. And it's like, no, I still wanted to have a future with that person. It's just, I was also like, is this really like going to be it? Important thing is that I just keep moving forward. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. And if you're going through a somewhat similar situation, just keep moving forward. It's okay to miss him. It's okay to still want him in a way, still be in love with him, still wonder what he's doing. But at the end of the day, just remember it ended for certain reasons and you should just keep moving forward. I'm just speaking from my experience. I think when you know something should be over, but you still want to hang on and still check up on that person or talk to them, especially if there are other things in your life that are hard, just please don't do it. Talk to someone else, because I feel like when you have no contact with somebody at all, it becomes easier, even though it does feel like it's hell, but the pain gets a little easier. a little better to handle, definitely, because the only memories you're thinking about are the ones from the past that have happened years ago, months ago, the last time you saw him, the day you broke up, the weeks before you guys broke up. But if you text him, you have a conversation with him, or if you hang out with him again or her, it's like starting over, because now you have a new memory. Even if you guys argued when you reached out to him, now you have like a new memory. They're fresh in your mind, so the pain, instead of it getting easier, it's like starting over because it's so fresh. I hope that makes sense. My point will always be is to keep moving forward. You deserve it. Well, I was born in Ecuador, and I came to New York City, to the States, when I was 6 years old, and ever since, yes, I've always lived in New York City. I was raised in Rego Park, Queens, but I have been living in Brooklyn for, I think, 10 years now, or maybe a little over 10 years. So I spent pretty much half of my life in Queens, and then the other half in Brooklyn, because I moved to Brooklyn when I was 13. I'm really bad at math, so hopefully that makes sense. Sometimes I listen to R&B, and other times I listen to hip-hop. I've come to DC 2 times after my breakup. One was in October and now. I was nervous to come to DC the first time. I came with my other friend Erica, because I also spent a lot of time in DC because my ex-boyfriend worked here. So I lived with him for a couple of months, not like full on moved in with him. He is from New York, but yeah, I spent a lot of time with him here, and there's a lot of memories, and I see the neighborhoods and the things that we used to do a lot here, and it brings back memories. But fuck it, it's because I know DC because of him, so automatically DC is linked to memories of us here. Okay, that's enough of that. I know I've been talking a lot about it lately. It just feels good to just let you guys know what I'm going through, and I know that I will inspire people and I will motivate people to keep moving forward instead of being all depressed and going back to their ex or bothering them, or just, you know, that whole mess. I know what the pain feels like, so I just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm going through something difficult like that as well, and that you can get through it. You can go out, you can have fun. Let me do my makeup really quick and then I'll come back. Look how long my hair is. Going out with single friends could be a little more fun because they're always down for anything. They don't gotta worry about a boyfriend. What type of music do you listen to?
Me?
Yeah, when you get ready.
Well, right now you've been putting me onto a lot of hip hop and rap, so.
I know you guys have been waiting for the hair portion of this video. I just want to say that my hair is getting super long. You want the Gucci. Revlon's 24 Hours foundation, I think it's called 24 Hours foundation, is amazing. I love it so much. I didn't bring it on this trip, but I do use that foundation often. Love it. My favorite movie of all time has to be Incredibles. I just love that movie. I know we all waited so many years for the second part to come out, but no, like, I was obsessed with The Incredibles. Really love that movie. And then other than that, I really like the movie Mystic River. It's an old one.